Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Runwal Avenue located in Kanjurmarg. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before that, let me tell you the points that we're going to be discussing in this project overview. So we are going to be talking about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. So stay tuned. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about Runwal Avenue, so it's made on a land parcel of 6 acres which has 6 towers in it, ground plus 49 residential floors with configuration of 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project, the main USP of this very wonderful project is its connectivity because it's very well connected with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, JVLR at a distance of just 900 meters, Kanjurmarg station at a distance of just 300 meters and upcoming metro station at a distance of just 2 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities of Runwal Avenue, so this project has 50 plus amenities which include swimming pool, turf, kids play area, multi-purpose court, mandir and many more.
Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, if you have taken a home from builder, just given a token amount, but now you want to cancel off, then how much money can the builder legally deduct? You should know this. Secondly, let's say after possession you have any problem such as leakage or construction related issue, then what liability does the builder hold? It's very much important for you to know all these things. We have explained all these things in very easy to understand and simple language. So next time when you plan to buy a home, go through Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button और नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा.
Talking about carpet area, this project has 1.5 to 2.5 BHK, in which 1 BHK carpet area is going to be 353 square feet to 424 square feet. And the carpet area for 1.5 BHK is going to be 454 square feet to 464 square feet. And the carpet area for 2 BHK is going to be 548 to 592 square feet. Talking about carpet area for 2.5 BHK, so it's going to be 647 square feet to 687 square feet. Now talking about the booking amount, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Runwal Avenue located in Kanjurmarg. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.